Hi, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. My name is Pama and you're welcome to the channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're not G, you know how we do it. Thank you so much for coming back. So today we are just going to talk about the health benefits of cloves with olive oil. Cloves and olive oil. Now you know these two individuals on their own do a lot. Imagine them being put together. Imagine them being put together. I'm going to tell you what they do to your skin, what they do to your hair, and what they do to your general health. Your health in general, whichever way you want to take it, Charlie. We are going to talk about two benefits of cloves plus olive oil on your hair, on your skin, and then on your health in general. So let's just get right into the video. But before we go, quick disclaimer: I'm not a medical doctor or a professional health practitioner. Akosua, what are you saying? Or I think that's correct. Or a professional health practitioner, yeah. But I'm a professional science teacher who will educate the general public about some of the things around us, some of the things we use every day, and also share my little knowledge in science with you. So now I think we can go into the video. Now the first one we'll be taking is on your skin, the benefits of cloves plus olive oil on your skin. Now towards the end of the video, I'll show you how you can actually put this together to make a potent potion, like a potent something for all the things we are going to talk about. So if you watch all this and you don't know how to put it together, I'm not sure it will be fair, right? So make sure you watch to the end of the video so you know exactly how to put this together, these two, cloves and olive oil, together to make the wonders we are going to talk about. Now I think we can actually go into it. So the first one I want to talk about on skin is that it helps to prevent, cure, heal, whatever word you want to put there. Prevent, cure, and heal acne. Acne. So you know cloves has antibacterial and antiseptic properties, right? And these properties help to kill acne causing bacteria, thereby reducing breakout and also preventing acne in general. Now how to go about this is you put a little bit of the recipe I'll tell you at the end of the video, the cloves and oil together, the olive oil together, you put it on the spot where you see the acne, or you can massage it on your face, or you can add it to your moisturizer and rub it all over your face, and then give yourself some time, watch the magic happen, watch your acne fade away, watch your face become nicer. And it's very sensitive. It's very sensitive. So if you have a sensitive skin, I beg you, you can do a patch test or something. You can try it on your hand to see if it works for you before you go and ruin your face totally. So please, if you have a sensitive skin, try it somewhere else before you put it on your face, just to be sure, just to be safe. The next one is it gives youthful skin, like it makes you look youthful, you know. What that actually does is it just improves your blood circulation, like it improves the blood circulation, thereby reducing wrinkles, reducing that sagging. I always don't know how to pronounce this word, sagging. I'll put a spelling on the screen, you know, that like it reduces all that, it prevents all that, because it increases your blood circulation and makes you look 10 times younger, like 10 times younger than your skin. It's in a lot of cosmetic products. You may not know, but it's in a lot of cosmetic products. You will get to know this mixture very soon, okay? But the best way to use to get this youthful skin we are talking about is at night. It works better at night. I don't know if it's a witch, but it works better at night. What you do is you add it to your moisturizer and apply it on your face, or a serum and you add it to your serum and apply it on your face before bed, so that you know when you're going to bed the body relaxes and all that. So it relaxes with the body. By the time you wake up, the magic has happened. The magic has happened. Now let's go to hair. We are going to talk about two benefits of this particular mixture on hair. The first one is it prevents premature aging of your hair. We just talked about premature aging of your skin or your face. You know, there's this, I don't know if it's an adage or it's in the Bible, that early growth of gray hair is a sign of wisdom. But I don't know where I saw it, but I think I've seen it somewhere. Please, I've seen it somewhere. And probably it's in your gene, or you know, whatever it is, it's in your house. You come in, before you come in and attack me that, oh, our house there, everybody has gray hair. I know, but if you are a young person, 1 or 2 gray hair in your late 20s, early 30s, it's okay, it's fine. But if you are beginning, if your hair is discoloring, if you don't understand, if your hair is discoloring like prematurely, then you should know that there's something wrong somewhere. And if you think you're becoming smart because your hair is becoming gray, bro, let me read this according to Proverbs. Okay, let me read because it's not in my head. Proverbs 20 verse 29 says, hallelujah, it says that the glory of young men is in their strength. Your glory is in your strength. Gray hair, splendor of the old. You are not old, bro. Like, you are not old. So why is your hair becoming gray? Why is your hair discoloring? The best way to get rid of discoloring hair or premature aging of your hair is to add these 2 mixture, cloves and olive oil, to your hair. What you do is that after you get this mixture, I'll teach you at the end of the video, you massage it into your scalp. It will help to increase blood circulation in your hair. There are some pigments responsible for maintaining your natural hair color, so it will help in the production of these pigments to maintain your natural hair color. So don't go about saying your gray hair is a flex. Your hair is either probably aging prematurely, so get this mixture in your hair. The next one is, it helps to fight or prevent or cure dandruff. I don't really know. I won't say we, because probably you know, but I don't really know the causes of dandruff. But then I know it's very, very nasty. Like, it's not nice at all, especially when it becomes flaky, and when you shake your hair, or when you touch your hair or something and it falls on your shoulder. Ew, like Nobody wants to go through that when dandruff starts falling out of your hair. No. So, some said it's due to dry scalp, some said it's due to fungal, whatever. But you know, cloves has antifungal and antibacterial properties. We've said that one earlier. It will help to fight this dandruff, and it also helps to reduce itching of the scalp. What you have to do is, you can either put cloves in warm water and then leave it to sit for like 30 minutes for the cloves to infuse in the warm water. I said warm, I beg, not hot. Put it in the warm water and use the warm water to rinse your hair after you are done shampooing your hair. Or you can use this mixture I'll teach you at the end of the video. You heat it a little, you make it a little hot and use it as hot oil treatment, and it will help to get rid of the dandruff. If you are fighting with dandruff, you may want to watch to the end of the video to know how to use this magic mixture, how to do this magic mixture actually. So let's go to your general health and then go and do the mixture. So with respect to health, one of the major things this mixture does is it helps to boost your immune system. Now, we've mentioned cloves has antibacterial, antiseptic, antifungal, anti all the antis in the world. Cloves has that, and olive oil also does its own magic. So what these two does is that it helps to boost your immune system, and it helps in the production of white blood cells, increase the production of white blood cells to fight infections in your body. So, like, at this point, do you not want to know how to use this mixture and how to do this mixture? And the last one before we go to how to mix this particular ingredient is it helps to relieve pain, especially toothache. That's what I've heard most of. It helps to relieve toothache. So when you have toothache, you can dump a cotton in this mixture and just put it where it's aching, or you can just moisten cloves, the whole cloves, in your mouth, and then when the juice comes out, you just push it to where the pain is. It will help to numb the pain. Cloves on its own is natural anesthetic. I don't know, but you know, when you go to hospital, before they cut you, that injection they give you, that's what so that the place becomes numb and you don't feel the pain. That's the magic of cloves. That's what it does. So With hair, we said it's curing your dandruff and it prevents premature aging. Now you know gray hair is not a flex in the first place. And with skin, it helps to make you look youthful and also prevent acne. And then with your general health, we are saying that it helps to relieve you of pain. Like, I feel I'm rushing now because we are going to the we are going to the digestive part. It helps you to make. It helps to where are we? Let's just go and mix this. So how you mix this? I can't even. How you mix it is you can either get the cloves in powder form. I feel it works better in powder form, so you can either blend it or grind it, however you're going to get it in powder form. And then you get about 250 ml of olive oil, and then about 3 teaspoons of the cloves powder. Now you've grinded it so it has become powder, so cloves powder, you know, before you come and say what is cloves powder. So you mix about 250 ml of olive oil with cloves powder, and you mix it, you stir it for like some few minutes, a minute or two, and then you leave it to sit. You can put it in an airtight container, cover it, and leave it to sit on an airy place, like room temperature, and you leave it there for like 3 days. If you can go 1 week, that's better, that's fine. But 3 days, by 3 days, you see the color of the oil will change. It simply means that the things you need in the cloves has infused into the oil, so you can mix it once again. I feel you can stir it like every 24 hours just to make sure things are moving into the oil. So after 3 days or a week maximum, if you're able to do a week, that's good, that's fine. After 1 week of letting it sit, then you realize, like I said earlier, the oil has changed color, and this means the oil is ready to be used. Now you have cloves oil. You don't need to put it on fire to achieve that. If you want to put it on fire, that's up to you. You can put it on medium heat, like a very, very low heat, and then you stir it for about 20 minutes, and you should let it sit for a while, like 24 hours, and it'll be ready to use. But if you don't want to put it on fire, I feel these natural ingredients work better without heat. So I won't recommend you put it on fire. Just leave it to sit for 3 to 1 weekend. That's fine. That should be able to go. It should be able to do all the things I've taught you in this video. So for your skin, for your hair, for your health, you don't want to miss this. If you did enjoy the video, I beg you, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Road to 10K this year. Subscribe to my channel, and we are also trying to get somewhere. So subscribe, I beg, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I know you did enjoy the video, and you may want to know the next thing the next one we're going to talk about is, I know I mentioned earlier we are going to talk about your urine. I think we should do that next. So we are going to talk about your urine next. If I don't think of something cloves, or now we are on cloves and okra a lot. So if nothing comes up on this too, then we are going to talk about your urine. So stick and stay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. My name is Pama, and I'm out. Peace out.